Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Sana and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I like to do a lot of unboxing videos. I like to do unbagging videos. I like to sprinkle a few vlogs here and there, a few beauty videos here and there. So if you think that is something that you would be interested in, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get into this. So today I'm going to do one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. Yeah, so I just got back from LA. I'm so tired, but there is this sneaker gala tomorrow and I want to wear these sneakers to the gala, so I want to show it to y'all. So getting a 2-for-1 for me. I already opened the box because the box that it came in looked really run down and raggedy, so I definitely had to check and make sure that the sneakers were there, and they were there. So these are the Nocta. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a collab with Drake. I'm not sure if y'all have seen, but he's already announced a new style of Nocta sneakers. It's a collaboration with Nike. The new ones are gonna be orange. They're pretty dope looking. Don't really need orange sneakers, but hey, I mean, since they're coming out, I might as well mention it since I'm doing a unboxing video. So this particular sneaker came in red, silver, and black, I want to say. I got the red. I need new red shoes. My Raging Bull 5s have disintegrated. Really sad about it. So these are basically gonna be my replacements until Jordan decides to make brings the Raging Bulls out again, because you know he will. They come out with the same shit every other time. So sorry, I'm going on a mini rant. Anyways, but yeah, let's dig into this box to see what I got. I'm also gonna do a try on. These reds are not gonna match this red, but it's still red. So I'm just trying them on for you guys. So this is the box. The logo. So I got the Nocta Glide in bright crimson and black. And I got them in a 9.5, which is a men's 8. Bam. So this is how they look. See, the reds don't match at all. This is so bright. These are dope. I'm super excited. Yeah, I love these. They look like they're hella comfortable, so I can't wait to try them on. They say G-Tech on the back. They got the Nocta logo on the sides, on the interior side as well, which is really nice. It's a red upper, black sole with yellow detailing as well as silver. These are super dope. I'm excited for these. I can't wait to wear them. Like, they look like kind of like a basketball shoe a little bit. They're like a mix between like a basketball shoe and maybe a running shoe. But I'm gonna just be fly as fuck in them type of shoe for me. But yeah, let me go ahead and try these on so you can see how they look on me. Oh, they even have some reflective pieces on where the laces are tied up, which is dope. It's interesting, this like weave. I haven't seen that on a shoe. It's like a don't want to say it's a jacquard, but it's kind of like a weave. It is a weave. Don't know if it's a jacquard weave, but it kind of looks like a basket a little bit. And then it has mesh here. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is reflective. This looks like it's kind of reflective here, but it's red, which is dope. Yeah, the detailing on these are really dope. I love this. I'm excited. It's kind of giving like a spider. Like these remind me of like spider eyes. Okay, let me go ahead and try these on. So I just took the shoe paper out of them and it revealed that on the heel, which I think is super dope. It's silver and it has the logo. I'm huge on branding and logos, so something like this is super dope. I hope that every time that I wear it doesn't wear it out. I hope that this silver part actually lasts and it doesn't like wear away and turn into like white or something like that. But let me go ahead and try these on so y'all can see how it looks on me. Don't judge me for my fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks, but this was just a try on. This fit is not fly, I know that. I just want y'all to see how it looks on feet, okay? So don't flame me in the comments. But yeah, these are comfortable. I have no doubt Nike makes super comfortable sneakers. To wear these. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. If you want to see me do more unboxing videos, more vlogging videos, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Leave it in the comments what you want me to do next. Let me know what is your favorite style or colorway of the Nocta. Also, are you excited for Drake's new collab? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get active. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at Honest Mira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.